Hey, Manuel Suarez here from Attention Grabbing Media, and in this video, I'm going to tell you the easiest business you could ever start without any money right now today, which is an incredible opportunity. And yes, I'm a little crazy in talking to you about that because you will become a competitor. So let me tell you about this. So a lot of people are complaining about how it takes money to make money and how difficult it is to succeed and get their own thing started, and how they want to maybe just quit the 9 to 5 because they hate their jobs or whatever that may be, and they don't know where to start and they're looking for opportunity. Well, let me tell you about my journey. My journey starts with obsessing over one particular client, and that was our Natural Slim brand, which I was the owner for. And I became the marketer for that brand. I was a co-founder for that company in the United States of America. And I worked with my father and I worked with my wife, and we just took that brand and we lifted it with a lot of great people around us. But I was a marketer and I was a social media marketer for it. I'm still the marketer for it. And this is an international brand now that is in 9 countries and doing close to 9 digits a year. It's quite an incredible story. But my marketing company was born with my obsession to deliver results to one single client. So for any of you guys, all you need is, number 1, the willingness to put yourself in an uncomfortable position. Number 2, you got to be willing to learn, obsessively learn. And I'm talking about dropping every single thing that you're doing out there that is not contributing to your success. Because if you are starving and if you're struggling financially and you have a dream or a goal or something that you want to accomplish and you're not doing it, well, what are you doing wasting your time doing other things that are not contributing towards you being able to get out of that non-ideal situation? It's quite simple. So if you guys want to go down this path, this is what I would suggest, because what I did was that I became really obsessed with one particular client. I became a great marketer. I lifted it up, and that started having people asking questions. And those questions led towards other brands and businesses that were successful already, saying, Manuel, could you please help me? Could you please sell me your services so I can actually also accomplish a similar level of success? And it just kept on trickling. One led to another client, another success led to more case studies, more things. And now I have thousands of people that I have serviced over the years, and a lot of people that I work with, and a lot of great content creators and brands and businesses and organizations in general. But it all starts with that one push. So again, I don't have a degree hanging on the wall. I do not come from an Ivy League marketing education. I was not supposed to be a marketer. I am not supposed to be successful. Nobody told me that I was a marketer. I called myself a marketer along the way because I obsessed over the one thing that we all need to be able to win in the game of business: attention. If you're obsessed with attention, congratulations. You are a marketer. If you don't care about attention, well, then you're not a marketer. It's as simple as that. That's how you decide whether you're a marketer or not. But let's say that you are obsessed with attention, that you like to be in the public eye. You like people to pay attention to you and watch you do things and look at your products and services, and you like attention in general. Well, you might be a great candidate to become a great marketer yourself. So how you will go about building your own business without any money, and I'm talking about $0. That's amazing, right? You literally can start a business. I started a business which is an Inc. 5000 winning company. We are one of the fastest growing companies on the United States. We are one of the fastest growing marketing companies in the country. It all started without anything but knowledge and implementation of that knowledge. So here's how you do it. Are you ready for this? If you are a 20-year-old, 19-year-old, 17-year-old, even a 35-year-old, passionate right now, male or female, and you want to start going in the direction of helping other brands in the same way because you believe that you can build something similar to what I built, get it going. You got to get your first account. How do you get your first account if you don't have any information? You cannot do so. That would be ridiculous. Like, I'm going to go and save somebody's life and do a heart surgery without ever understanding how to do a heart surgery? Of course not. You have to understand the basics. If I get on a basketball court with LeBron James, he's going to destroy me because I don't know how to use that basketball. So you got to understand the instrument. So the way that you do it is by studying. You got to spend hours watching videos like this. You got to spend hours watching to free training. Again, you have no money. I'm not asking you to buy a course. I'm asking you to start consuming the free content out there. There is plenty. Find 2 or 3 people like myself with a big YouTube channel or a lot of videos coming out and just get educated obsessively. Trust me, it is out there. All you got to do is find it. There's people that are actually sharing their screen, creating campaigns. You don't got to buy a single course to be able to get that skill to a decent enough level that somebody's going to pay you money to help them. So what you do is that no matter what your schedule is, if you're working 40 hours a week, you have available time to study. You have 4 hours a day, 6 hours a day, and now you got to spend time on Facebook, on YouTube. I will actually stay away from Facebook. Just go to YouTube and watch content. Watch people like myself. Watch people like my friend and client, Jason Flatman. Watch people like Grant Cardone. Watch people like Dan Henry. Watch people like Rudy Maurer. Watch people that are educating others on the subject of marketing, on the subject of building agencies or creating revenue. It's not even about building agencies. You gotta be a good marketer. I never studied anything. Nothing ever taught me how to build an agency. Let me repeat that. No course, no book, no program, no one, no mentor ever gave me data on how to build a marketing agency. I figured it out every step of the way. And now I have 117 staff that are part of this incredible organization called Attention Grabbing Media. So you don't have to focus on building an agency training. You got to focus on building a marketing game plan training. You got to become a marketer. You got to understand the basics of content distribution, on content dissemination, on media buying. You got to understand the basics of TikTok and TikTok advertising, Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, YouTube and creating a YouTube channel. You got to understand what this world is presenting to you. And trust me, all of it is available at your fingertips. And as you're watching this video, you have the availability to actually consume this content because your phone signal is more than enough for you to consume this content. And you can stop putting away those things that are wasting your time. So once you acquire that information, that value, the next step is for you to go out into the world. Let's say that you spend 2 or 3 months learning stuff, and now you feel this certainty. Well, I get that. I can do something about this now. I can execute on this, and I believe that I can actually have a future in this particular thing. Great. Here's what you do. You know how many businesses out there are struggling? Do you know that 65% of businesses in the United States of America are not making money? So imagine that. 65% of the people out there running a business would love to have your help, especially your free help, because they're struggling. They don't have enough business. And hey, in the end of the day, these people are not running a not-profit organization. They're not running a 501c. They are running a business for profit. And because they're running a business for profit, if you go and show up at the doorstep and you say something like, hey, listen, XYZ Printing, I feel that there's an opportunity for you to leverage social media marketing. And I want to help you. I want to help you for free. I have been studying social media marketing for the last couple of months and have been getting really good at it. And I'm looking for an opportunity. And that opportunity is not going to cost you anything. You don't got to pay me a single penny. I am getting started on something. Who knows where I'm going to go? I believe that I have the potential to do some great things, but I want to start with you, XYZ Printing, and I want to help you create some advertising campaigns to help you bring some foot traffic into the store and maybe even sell something online and generate leads for you and your business because you have a great product out there. Oh yeah, but what's the catch? What's the catch, Joe? Well, you got to actually pay for the advertising. That's all you got to do. And that's not going to me. That's going to Meta, or it's going to YouTube, Google, or it's going to TikTok. I'm going to tell you which platform you're going to pay it to, but just so you trust me, I'm not taking a penny from you. You are going to pay it all directly to this platform. My work, my sweat equity is free. My sweat is going to be free. So I'm going to just do it for you guys because I'm getting started on this journey and I want to get going. If you have incredible results, which I'm hoping that I'm going to help you accomplish, we're going to come back here in about 2 weeks and I'm going to tell you what we accomplished and you're going to already be seeing it. And then we can come up to an agreement and I will charge you something like $1,000 a month. And that is your beginning. So just like my father in Natural Slim was my beginning, you can have your beginning that requires none of your money, but it requires your commitment. You got to be able to learn things along the way so you can actually have something to deliver. You can't just go out there and sell marketing services when you don't know what the heck you're doing. So go ahead and dive into it. Understand all these platforms. Study as much as possible until you get confident enough. And also, one final thing. Be willing to knock on doors like a solicitor and be kicked out over and over again. Be willing to do this 50 times before you get one yes. It's not going to be easy. People are not going to hand you a silver spoon. It's not going to be like that. You're going to have to work for it. But when that one opportunity presents itself, you're going to walk through that opportunity, and you're not going to let that organization ever be the same without you. And that's a starting point, because once you get those results, then you have something called a case study. And that case study allows you to now start visiting other similar printing companies or other companies that also have services or products, and you can start selling your services to these people. And that's going to be the beginning of a new era for you. And now, hey, maybe you and I are going to be competing against each other on the line. I welcome you. I always welcome the competition, but I wish you good luck in trying to accomplish success. And that's why I'm here for you. And that's why I'm opening up my doors to my knowledge. And I'm looking forward to seeing you walk through these opportunities the world is still presenting to you, especially right now. I don't know where you're watching this video, but in 2022, we're going for a very difficult environment. And in these environments, recession-like environments, marketing becomes more important. Businesses want to stay open. They need to actually bring attention in. People are harder to get them to open up their wallets. Marketing makes them open up their wallets. And your job is going to be to help these businesses stay open. So you see, that's a big purpose. So get it going. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. You can always send me a text, 813-212-2196. See you in the next video.